Good morning, students, and welcome to the class of English. Children, in this video, I'm going to discuss with you some questions of writing skills, and I'm actually directly discussing with you the questions as well as their answers, so that you may get some kind of idea regarding how to solve the particular question. So here I'm starting with this question number 1. You are Ranveer Ravina of 254 Greater Class, New Delhi. You want to sell the first floor of your newly constructed house. Draft an advertisement for local Delhi under its classified column, property for sale, in not more than 50 words. Include the relevant details like location, type of accommodation, and contact address, including telephone number, etc. So children, if you first of all you have to analyze the question, that what it is asking. So if I check it, it is an advertisement for local Delhi. Now what do you understand by local Delhi? Children, local Delhi means local newspaper. Alright, so local Delhi means local newspaper. So first this thing is clear that we have to write an advertisement for a local newspaper under the classified columns, and what will be the heading? Heading will be property for sale. And then what is the word limit? Word limit is 50 words. And what important details we have to include, that is location, then type of accommodation, contact address, including telephone number, etc. Alright, so these things we have to include. Now by now I think children you must be clear that we have to draft an advertisement for a local newspaper, and we have to include details like location, type of accommodation, contact address, and telephone number, etc. Now let's come out with the address. So first of all we will sign out as Ranveer or Ravina according to the gender. What is the address? 254 Greater Class, New Delhi. Right. And now the details of the property. So you want to sell the first floor of your newly constructed house. So for sale is the first floor of the newly constructed house. Alright children, so before solving any question you have to just go through it and understand what it is demanding. Now this is the answer. What will be the heading? Heading will be for sale. Alright, because we are going to sell something. So, and what we are going to sell, as we had heard just now, that we are going to sell the first floor of a newly constructed house at Greater Kailas near Shopping Plaza is available for sale. Then you have to give the details of the property also, what it contains, what are the exciting features. So 2 spacious bedrooms with attached bathroom, a large drawing room cum dining room, and a large modular kitchen, east facing, located near, and prices negotiable. So these things we have to discuss. Now interested parties may contact. So you will give your address, that is Ranveer/Ravina, 254 Greater Class, New Delhi, and mobile number children you must write like this only. Okay, first 4 digits, then XXXX. Alright. So this is the example of for sale of the property. Alright, let's move on to the next question now. You are Ravi/Rachana. As president of literary club of your school, you have organized an inter-school debate competition on the occasion of Silver Jubilee celebrations of your school. Write a notice in about 50 words informing the students of your school about this competition. So what is your address? You are Ravi or Rachana. And what is your designation? You are the president of the literary club. So what is the function being organized there? So the function is inter-school debate competition. And what is the occasion? Silver Jubilee celebration of school. Now what you have to write? You have to write a notice in about 50 words informing the students of your school about this competition. So you are the president of Ravi Rachana, president of literary club, has issued this notice about the silver jubilee celebration of the school, and notice should be in 50 words, and you have to inform the students about this thing. It's a simple one, children. So Ras Bihari Model School Mathura notice. See, in this question, no name of the school has been mentioned. Alright, children, as you can see, there is no name of the school. So if something is not given, then there is no restriction. You can supply that detail from your own side. So the name of the school has been supplied from our side, Ras Bihari Model School Mathura. Then it is notice, and then there is date, then inter-school debate competition. This is to inform you that the literary club is organizing an inter-school debate competition on the occasion of the Silver Jubilee celebrations as per details given below. Alright, date, first you have to mention the date, then time, then venue. See, if you mention like this, then it becomes very clear. Okay, so whenever you write the notice, first of all comes the name of organization. Then in bold letters we write this notice, then date comes, then the title. Alright, then comes the body, and at last we have to sign as Ravi Rachna, President. We can also mention designation also, President of the, in bracket, we can also write literary club. Down where? Just below this. Alright, below this President, we can write literary club. So I think this is clear, children. What all things are necessary? Name of organization, then notice, then date, then title, alright, then content, okay, or the body, and at last signature. Next question, children. As the principal of Akashvani Public School, write a formal invitation to the district magistrate asking him to be the chief guest at the annual sports day of your school. Provide the necessary details in 50 words. Alright. So you are the first analyze this question again. So what is the designation? Principal. School's name is Akashvani Public School. What we have to write? Formal invitation. To whom? To DM. Alright. And we have invited him as a chief guest for the annual sports day. So I think the question is clear now. We have to write an invitation letter that should be formal, and it is about invitation of the chief guest for the annual sports day, and school's name is Akashvani Public School, and as a principal you have to write drafting this invitation. See, as we are drafting a invitation letter for the DM, so it will be a formal invitation, and it should be in the letter format. Why letter format? Because we are inviting a particular person. Children, two things are there. Formal invitation are of two types: card format, alright, and letter format. I am talking about, children, formal invitation. Okay, informal invitation, children, is only of letter format. Is it clear, children? So formal invitation letter is in the card format as well as letter format. Okay, card format, letter format, and informal invitation letter is in the form of letter format only. Okay, in informal invitation letter we can use first person pronoun, second person pronoun, but in formal invitation letter we must use third person. Okay, so third person pronoun is used in formal invitation letter, and first as well as second person pronoun is used in the informal invitation letter. So I think this is clear by now. Okay, now let's continue. So first of all, if it is a formal invitation letter in the letter format, so what will be the format? The format will be of formal letter. The format will be of formal letter. Alright. So what is there? First, the sender's address is there. Akashvani Public School, M25 M Block, Vaishali, Ghaziabad. Then date is there. Then the receiver's address, Mr. L.M. Tyagi, District Magistrate, Ghaziabad. Then subject is there. Then respected sir. Then body will be there. Then yours faithfully. Children, don't write. Alright. So nowadays we write truly and sincerely. Okay. Now here what will come, because we know the name of that person, and what is the name of that person? LM Tyagi. So when the name of the person is coming, then we write sincerely. Okay, and when the person is stranger, we write truly. So kindly keep this point in mind, that when the person's name is appearing and if we know that person, then we write sincerely, and if the person is stranger, we write truly. Okay. So now LM Tyagi, District Magistrate, Ghaziabad. Then subject is invitation for annual sports day. Respected sir, it is a matter of great pride that our school is celebrating its 25th annual sports day function on the 25th September 2000 access from 10 a.m. onwards at the school ground. We shall consider it a great honor if you could grace the occasion and preside over the function as a chief guest and give away the prizes. Your graceful presence at the function will greatly enhance our morale and act as a source of inspiration for the children. We hope that you will kindly accept our request. We also request a line in reply on or an email at akashwani@gmail.com. We have mentioned the Gmail address also for acceptance of the invitation. Okay, then thank you. We will not write faithfully, we will write sincerely, because the name of the district magistrate is there. Then Akashwani Public School Principal. Alright, so I think now by this is clear. Next question, you are Rahul Gupta and you have been invited to the post selection party of your friend Anuj. Write an informal reply regretting your inability to attend the same in not more than 50 words. Children, if invitation letter is there, then reply to invitation letter is also there. Alright, so if invitation letter is there, so its reply is also there. Alright, and reply can be in the form of yes, and reply can be in the form of no. So either you will accept the invitation or you will decline the invitation. Alright, so if you are declining the invitation, then you must regret, sorry that I will not be able to attend your invitation. Okay, like this you will write, and but if you are accepting, you write, I will be happy to be the part of the ceremony. Whatever the proceedings are there, you will write like that. So that thing is there. If invitation letter is there, its reply is there, and reply can be in the form of yes or no. So both ways you must know how to write it. So it is there. 7C Yojana Vihar Delhi. Then date is there. Alright. Then dear Anuj, many thanks for inviting me to attend your selection party, but I am sorry. Alright, as it is reply to invitation letter and it is informal, so only informal letters format is there. See, it is sender's address, then date, then salutation, then content, then closing. Alright, so many thanks for inviting me to attend your post selection party, but I am sorry to say that I shall not be able to attend the same, as I shall be out of station next week. I shall miss this joyous occasion. I wish you all the best for the future. God bless you. Yours truly, Rahul Gupta. So it is the way to decline any invitation. You can say, I am sorry, I feel you regret it, but give the reason also that why you are not able to attend. Okay, and then you must congratulate the for the occasion. All right. So as it is reply to an informal invitation letter, so format is of informal letter. So by now I think it is clear. All right. So that's all, children. In this video I discussed some important tips about notice writing and invitation letter, and I hope you may have got benefited with this video. So till my next video, thank you and goodbye.